Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rose, and on this channel we conquer business, faith, and life together. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe. We are doing a transformation video. Y'all know I'm a lash tech, I'm a beauty expert, cosmetologist, esthetician. I'm all that in one. Plus I'm Haitian. I wanted to do a procedure that I do for my clients here and there, but I wanted to use only Amazon products. I will link all of the product I use today in the description box below. This is something you could do at home. It's very affordable, and if you want to, you can even try this on your clients. Personally, I use a different brand, and I will talk about that later on. This is definitely something that you could start off with for your friends and family and stuff like that. I don't typically use Amazon products. Amazon products really do stay in the Amazon storage or garage for a very long time until they get to be shipped out. So they can stay in there for 2, 4, 5, 6 months, and I don't like that. That's just something y'all need to keep in mind, because a lot of products do expire while they are in the Amazon storage unit or whatever. As you can tell by the title, today we're going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to be using this brand. It's called Parallel Products. This is what it is. Another product that you can use if you want your lashes to stay longer is going to be the brow henna part, and it comes with the henna powder and all that, and all you have to do is just mix it in with water. I have used this on myself and it was good. Henna is a hit or miss for me. Like, it just depends on my skin. I am going to be using this one because it's an actual tint, and we're just going to see how this goes. So let me tell you guys all in all what I'm going to be using, because like I said, this is all from Amazon. So first things first, we have to clean our eyebrows, and we're going to be using witch hazel to clean our eyebrows. You can use alcohol, but alcohol is just going to be really harsh on my skin, so I am just going to use witch hazel. Another thing you could use to clean your eyebrows, you can use a lash foam cleanser. Hold on. Y'all know I gotta put on my brand. Go ahead, hit the link in the description box below for you to purchase your own lash kit. Very soft on the eyes, very gentle, and it gets off every dirt. And I do want to say one thing. Every time I look at people who wash their lashes, they be putting like 3, 4, 5. Listen, you only need one. Okay, you only need one. I have one of these little cups so I can put the tint and measure it. I have these wooden sticks, I have a spoolie, I have a lint-free applicator. I have another one, but this one has the longer heads. Then I have 2, what is this called? I forgot what this is called. Oh my gosh, I forgot. So I'm gonna continue this video with a voiceover because I don't think I could do this and talk at the same time. But here are my lashes. I need to get my lashes done. But here are my eyebrows before the tint. Y'all see it. Let me just post a picture. All right, y'all, let's get into the video. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start off by cleansing our eyebrows, making sure we remove all of the oil and dirt so that the tint can grip onto your eyebrows and also your skin. Pouring about a quarter size of developer in that little cup that I showed you. And as for the tint, I'm going to be using light brown, and I'm gonna pour about another little smaller than a dime size. I'm using 2 colors. I'm also using black, and I'm pouring just a little bit of that. I can't really measure it, but just really small portion. I like to mix my tint because I like my eyebrows a little bit on the darker side, and if you ever gotten your eyebrows tinted, you know that the tint really does dissolve pretty fast, especially after you take a shower. So this just helps me to have longevity with my eyebrow tinting. As y'all can see, I mixed all 3 of those together, and now I am just going to just shape my eyebrows how they naturally go so that I know where I'm applying the tint. Now, using the same wooden stick, I am just going to outline the shape of my eyebrows. So I'm going to start on the bottom, and I'm just going to focus on the middle of my eyebrows and go towards the tail. I'm also going to be pushing that tint upwards so that it can fill in the rest of my eyebrows. The last part that I fill in is the inner corners of my eyebrows. I try to do that last because I kind of want that to be a little bit lighter than the middle and the tail of my eyebrows. And using a Q-tip, I just clean up the shape and the surroundings, making sure that the eyebrow is crispy and nice. I use another wooden tip just to make sure that the front of my eyebrows is as nice as I want them. I really like my eyebrows to have that square shape, so that's what I go for. If you like the round shape, you can do that. If you like another type of shape, you can do that, but this is what I like for my eyebrows. Alright, y'all, so okay, I know it looks kind of crazy, or depending on who you are, it looks pretty good. But these are the eyebrows tinted. I think this is taking really fast. This brand is very rapido, so I'm gonna wait for about 2 minutes and then I'm gonna wipe it off. But in the meantime, I am just gonna clean up here because I don't want tint to stay anywhere. Also, warning, wear gloves. If you're gonna do this on yourself and it's your first time, wear gloves because it does get messy. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up and then I'll get back to you guys with the final results. Let me give you guys a close-up of what I'm working with right now. It looks pretty good. I like my eyebrows a little bit on the thicker side. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off. One thing that I used to do when I was first learning to do eyebrows, I used to drip the cotton in water and then I would wipe it. And I'll say that that is not what you're supposed to do. The tint will also disappear as I'm wiping it. So if you're doing something like that, because I know social media always shows like the foam and then they wipe it away and it looks so pretty, so nice. That's not the case, y'all. Like, you're supposed to wipe it without water. If I'm wrong, let me know, but that's what I've learned. You're supposed to wipe it without water. So that's just a little tip for you guys, because I know that I wanted my clients' tint to last long, and I realized like I'm wiping away like half of the tint before they even leave my studio. So I cut up a bunch of paper so that I can wipe my eyes. Let's get into it. As you can see, the tint is already dried. This reminds me of the tint that people get at like nail salons and stuff. The tint is already dried, and you can see, like, you see that? Like all that. So let's get into it. Okay. So here that is. We're gonna do the next one. And a lot of tint is coming off. So imagine if I had wetted. Oh my gosh. Hey! All right. Okay, so next we are going to spice it up. I know that if you're a lash tech or a cosmetologist or esthetician, whatever, you know on social media, them people eyebrows be looking perfect. And a little secret tip that they do is that they put makeup and just try to just, you know, make it look bright, make the eyebrows look crispy and all that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use something like closer to my shade, and I'm gonna use this one, but I think I'm gonna mix these two together because, you know, I'm black. And we're just gonna apply that at least on the arch and going towards the tail. Okay. Okay, y'all, so this is the eyebrows. Let me give y'all a closer look. This is the eyebrows. So that's the finished product. You could do your eyebrows at home for the low. I will keep you guys updated on how long this lasts. Hopefully it lasts about a week and a half. I hope that this could help you guys do your eyebrows at home. Very affordable, very easy. Come back to this video if you need help. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you when the sun rises. Bye, y'all.